Morning, folks. We're back here at it once again. Today we are detailing a 2018 Chevy Equinox, and the interior is the type of challenge that we like to take on here at Top Priority Auto Detailing. Sarah's going to follow me around and we're going to give you a tour of the inside. Outside looks pretty good, but the inside is going to be a lot of fun, like I said. So come on, Sarah, follow me around here. Get a little shot inside here. This one's got about 44,000 miles on it. The client is not, client's had this one for a little bit. But we got a lot of vacuuming that's going to get done. The seats are going to get cleaned up with the Bissell. The steamer's going to get a good workout. And there's Sarah showing you all the nooks and crannies that we've got here.
Sticky.
I'm come around here to the front. You just take a look. There's just a lot of stuff in the floor. This one has floor mats, but we've already taken it out, and we've already got the engine bay done. Miss Greg is getting herself a full detail, so this is our top priority package. We're gonna go around the other side here and take that all the. You can tell you shine right there, Sarah, on the paint. The paint is actually in really good shape, so it just needs a. Once the weather warms up a bit, we're going to get everything out and we're going to make that look good again. That'll be shining. We're really going to focus in. You can tell all the dirt that has come alive since Miss Greg has had this vehicle. Here, you can see right in there in the cup holders, there's a lot of filth in there, so the steamer's going to get a good workout. Do this job.
Yeah, it's pretty yummy.
Okay. Back here. So yeah, this is gonna be a good old fun job, ain't it, Sarah?
Yes, sir.
All right, you guys enjoy the video. Last video we didn't get a chance to show you guys us pressure washing the floor mats, so that's what we're going to do here. I've already coated those three right there in our Chemical Guys Lightning Fast solution, and Sarah's going to get a good video shot of me doing this one right here. So here we go. Some of y'all may be wondering what led me to want to start detailing vehicles, and a lot of it's got to do with the Detail Geek on YouTube. If you hadn't had a chance to see his videos already, go check his out. They're a lot more professional quality grade than us right now, but we're getting started, and it's our goal to be at the same level as those guys. Since these are relatively clean, we're going to use the white bristles today, which are the softest. And you know, you got to make sure you're doing this properly. But it's okay, mistakes happen. All right, let's see if we can do this time. Normally we're using the green bristle because the stains are a little bit worse off, but this one's in relatively good shape, these floor mats are, which is why we're using the white.
If I may interject, the worst thing about these was how crummy they were.
Yeah.
Not a lot of stickiness, not a lot of excessive anything except for crumbs. On this particularly nasty door of this one, and we don't know what that is, but we're about to steam it off with APC and the McCullough steamer, so Michael's gonna go to town on it. Nice to get a good spritz of the APC on the whole thing. Michael is using the wide head brush adapter on the end of the steamer. Really good for a thorough but not intense scrub. Don't want to be more abrasive than you have to be on surfaces like this. This should do the trick. hopefully this will all just wipe right off after the steam.
We'll wipe it down one good time with a damp rag, and then we'll go back over it with a dry one.
After that, it won't look perfect, but that's what 303 is for. And we're super excited to use this Aerospace 303. That was a really good product choice for us to upgrade to. I'm glad we did.
Okay, so I already dumped one of these earlier, so this is the rest of it from the Bissell. So you can tell that's really, really nasty.
But it's not in the car anymore.
Process of putting the iron remover on. I'm going to start spraying it down, and Sarah's going to explain to y'all about what iron remover does. We're using the product from Adams.
Michael is spraying Adams iron remover onto this lovely green paint, and it will pull out any iron contaminants. You can tell that the process is working because, as you can see in the bottle, the substance starts out as orange, and when it binds to iron contaminants in the paint, it will turn purple.
Alright, so I've got spray wax here by Adams. Put it on this disc. We're going to show y'all the hood today on this green paint. I was really happy with how good the paint was already in, the condition that it was already in, I should say. But this right here is going to help protect it for about a month and a half to 2 months.
And y'all can see how it's leaving a film right now with just the applicator.
So then what we're going to do here is I'm going to get the rag here from Sarah. I'm going to show y'all something cool. After we wipe this off, you'll know that this stuff also got cornuba infused. So
you can see that that towel, especially in the center line of the hood, took that cloudiness away.
Yep. I'm about to show you something else that we got a good coat of this stuff on. Watch what this does.
Ooh, slick.
It was a really awesome day today. Super pumped to show you guys this. I think you are going to be pleased with the results. I know we are. We had a couple of trouble spots, so it put us a little bit behind schedule, but it's no big thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed the final product of our detail today for this 2018 Chevrolet Equinox.